For this exercise, we've got two different workbooks open at the same time in Excel. One of them is called Sales Reports and the other one is called Marketing Reports. So let's start off by moving one of the worksheets from the Marketing Reports workbook to the Sales Reports workbook. And to do that, you just come down to the bottom left corner of the workbook and right-click with the mouse on the name of the worksheet that you want to move, and then choose Move or Copy. Then go to the drop-down and just select the workbook that you want to move the worksheet to, which in this case is going to be Sales Reports, and then click on OK. And as you can see, the marketing report for January has moved from the Marketing Reports workbook to the Sales Reports workbook. So that's how you can move a worksheet from one workbook to another. Now let's have a look and see how you can copy a worksheet from one workbook to another. Let's go over to the Sales Reports workbook and we'll right-click on the Marketing Report for January tab again and choose Move or Copy. And using the drop-down, we'll choose the Marketing Reports workbook. And this time we'll click on the checkbox for Create a Copy and click on OK. And as you can see, the marketing report for January has remained in the Sales Reports workbook, and a copy of it has appeared in the Marketing Reports workbook. So that's how you can make a copy of a worksheet and send it to another workbook.